Hey guys, my name is Mofami. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will gonna share with you two true crime cold cases that were suddenly solved in 2023. Number 1. The case of Patricia Kopta, more than 31 years after disappearing or losted. A Pittsburgh woman, she was found in a Puerto Rican nursing house. In the year of 1992, Patricia Kopta of Ross Township near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, disappeared. At the age of 52 years old at that time, she was known or nicknamed as a street preacher, the Sparrow, and the reason was because of her small build. And also, she had a history of mental illness, according to her family and officials. Her beloved families believe she died, but the crazy thing is, in 2023, she was found alive, at the age of 83 years old, at a nursing home in Puerto Rico. At a news conference, Ross Township Police Chief Brian Kolep said Patricia Kopta had been found wandering around northern Puerto Rico before Patricia Kopta was taken to an adult daycare home in the year of 1999, hinting that she came about via cruise ship. Shortly, Patricia Kopta shared info with workers of the nursing home that led to details about her past years. In 2022, the workers or employees called Ross Township Police, and they sent officials a DNA samples from this old woman. And surprisingly, it was a match to two of her families or relatives. Patricia and her beloved husband Bob Kopta, who is 86 years old, had been married for more than 20 years when she disappeared. He and her relatives said she was really worried at the time that she might be put in a home because of her mental struggles. They don't really know how she ended up in Puerto Rico, but they said she liked to go for a vacation there. She had been a dance instructor, model, and she also worked in finance and as an elevator operator before she started showing signs of what was possibly schizophrenia and went through the streets while she was talking about the end of the world. Then, I come home one night and just like that she disappeared. She's just gone, Kopta said to the Associated Press. Kopta Bob, who never remarried again, said he never planned to visit his wife, but he is happy that she is still alive and in a safe. She could have come back to home at any time. And he also said she always said she wanted to go to a warm climate. Patricia's her twin sister died before knowing that her beloved sister had been found. Number 2. Viktoria Nasyrova. Viktoria was sentenced to 21 years in prison for trying to kill her lookalike women with poisoned food. In this year, April 20th, 2023, Queens Supreme Court Justice Kenneth Holder sentenced in Viktoria Nasyrova of Brooklyn to 21 years in prison for trying an identity theft plot in which she decided to murder her look-alike beautician who looked just like her. This woman is crazy, she poisoned her cheesecake. A jury found her guilty of the 2016 attempted poisoning and other charges in February 2023. Her friend, eyelash stylist Olga Zvik, survived and spoke at the sentencing. Holder called Nasyrova an extremely dangerous woman and said her crimes were diabolical. According to the New York Post, Nasyrova's response to the judge in court after he announced her sentencing was "F you." Prosecutors said Nasyrova, who is from Russia, used a poison available only in Russia. She brought the cheesecake to Zvik's house for an eyelash touch-up appointment and ate 2 poison-free slices while offering a slice to Zvik. 20 minutes later, Zvik started to feel sick and went to lie down. Her friend found her unconscious the following day with pills scattered around her, as Nasyrova had reportedly tried to make it look like Zvik had taken her own life. She did not succeed, but did steal Zvik's passport, work permit, jewelry, and $4,000 cash. Nasyrova was convicted of second-degree attempted murder, first-degree attempted assault, second-degree assault, first-degree unlawful imprisonment, and petite larceny. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.